The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Vigo County, northeastern Sullivan County, Clay County, northwestern Owen County, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sarasota, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. A 58 wind gust was measured at Terre Haute Airport. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Terre Haute, Brazil, Farmersburg, Selleville, Knightsville, Clay City, Harmony, Staunton, Center Point, Riley, Coal City, Bowling Green, Lena, Patricksburg, Corry, and Salem City. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 12 and 28. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Clay, Owen, Sullivan, and Vigo.